Oh, hi guys, I'm preparing this lecture. It's about the American technology. You guys know, like, American technology is based on two things. One is called microelectronics, and the other one is called mining. So, that's about this one is how mining and microelectronics are very beneficial and how we modify for these areas where the CPEC is ongoing. So that means with the CPEC and this one is gonna be very interesting combination now, because the technologies which is regarding to microelectronics which are in America, they are very excellent technologies now, and the same as mining. Mining is also very unique. One to another unique mining technologies are behind the mining. So many things are behind the microelectronics. So many advancements are, which is like a cluster engineering. So, what I am preparing now, how we convert these technologies, what methods we use, the outer methods. Not we are making the technologies over there, but for the outer methods. And these outer methods are very important to use for these countries where the CPEC is. Because CPEC is a different concept. But this one, these technologies are very, very important. But these technologies are only valuable if they are modified according to these requirements. And that is the key thing is, I still don't see any consulting company in America which have this kind of capabilities. But the modification is a huge process. Modification is not a small thing. I'm preparing this one on my YouTube channel, and I hope you guys also watch this one, which is very good for a lot of people. What is the meaning of how we do the brainstorming or NPN or different to upgrade to enlighten neurons for to new dimension. Thank you.